everyone, it's Allie. This week I'm standing in front of the Mary Tyler Moore statue in downtown Minneapolis. The reason I chose this locale for the lecture is that we're studying social relevance and entertainment this week, and in addition to watching an episode of Saturday Night Live from its debut season in 1975, we'll also be studying CBS and the lineup of socially relevant sitcoms that they really invest in the 1970s. One of these shows is, of course, The Mary Tyler Moore Show. There's a lot of interesting aspects about Mary Tyler Moore. It's bringing a 1970s feminist perspective to our screen in the sitcom format. And another example of an outside advocacy group affecting what we watch on television occurs here. The initial song lyrics for the Mary Tyler Moore Show went, "She might just make it after all." So notice the might. It's a little bit hopeful, but it's not that strong of a image or strong of a statement about women and success as individuals in the workplace. So now, the National Organization of Women, which is co-founded, one of the co-founders of NOW is Betty Friedan, who wrote The Feminine Mystique that we studied a little earlier in the semester. That advocacy group now lobbies the Mary Tyler Moore producers to change the song lyrics from "She might just make it after all" to "She's gonna make it after all," which is a much stronger statement for a single woman in the workplace than "she might." So that's a clear-cut example of how an outside advocacy group affects what we see and hear on our television screens. I hope you enjoy this week. There'll be a lot of fictional content, and you'll see the rise of indie producers and how adding social relevance to the narrative really increases the potential of the narrative itself. This is something we're quite used to in storytelling on television today, and within the sketch comedy format, we are used to our politics and our entertainment mixing. Prior to the 1970s, after the rise of civil rights, feminism, and the student protest movement, things were very, very separate in the 1950s and early 60s. So social relevance, the way that we have it in our television with shows like The Colbert Report or The Daily Show, is much different than it was in the early era of television that we studied. This social relevance becoming the norm for viewers begins here with the 1970s. Other channels do it as well. NBC and ABC both have shows. ABC has Soap, which features the first recurring fictional gay character on television, and NBC, of course, is where Saturday Night Live debuts. But CBS really, really embraces social relevance in the sitcom format, and we will spend a lot of this week focusing on that. I hope you enjoy the shows this week, and I hope that you enjoy Mary Tyler Moore. I'm living in Minnesota right now, and I thought I would share the sculpture with you. Have a great week.